Hey, Yal! Welcome back. Today, we've got a treat for you that's sure to satisfy your sweet tooth. We're diving into the world of southern cooking with none other than the Queen herself, Paula Deen. Get ready for a slice of heaven as we explore Paula Deen's irresistible carrot cake recipe. If you're a fan of moist, flavorful cakes with a touch of southern charm, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Before we jump into the baking, let's take a quick look at the ingredients you'll need for this delicious carrot cake. The full list will be in the description below, so don't worry if you miss anything. You'll need the usual suspects like flour, sugar, and eggs. But what sets this carrot cake apart is, of course, the star ingredient: carrots. Paula Deen's recipe calls for freshly grated carrots, ensuring that every bite is bursting with flavor. Start by whisking together your dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. This forms the perfect base for our carrot cake. Now, in a separate bowl, we'll mix together our wet ingredients. This includes sugar, eggs, vegetable oil, and a hint of vanilla extract. Paula Deen's recipes always have that extra touch of love, don't they? Step 3. Combining wet and dry. Once both mixtures are well combined, it's time to bring them together. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry, and gently fold everything together. This is where the magic happens. Step 4. Adding grated carrots and nuts. Now, here's where the carrot cake really comes to life. Fold in those freshly grated carrots and chopped nuts. This not only adds amazing texture but also that signature carrot cake sweetness. Step 5. Baking. Transfer your batter into a greased and floured cake pan. Pop it into the oven, which should be preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. And let the aroma of this carrot cake start filling your kitchen. Step 6. Cream cheese frosting. While our cake is baking, let's whip up Paula Deen's famous cream cheese frosting. Cream cheese, butter, powdered sugar, a trio made in dessert heaven. And don't forget a touch of vanilla extract for that extra flavor kick. Step 7. Frosting the cake. Once your cake has cooled, generously spread that luscious cream cheese frosting over the top. The more, the merrier, right? Final presentation. And there you have it, Paula Deen's irresistible carrot cake. Just look at that moist, decadent slice. Trust me, it tastes even better than it looks. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. Thanks for joining. If you enjoyed this southern cooking adventure with Paula Deen's carrot cake, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a bite. Until next time, happy baking, Yal!